You wake up and something hurts. Your neck, your lower back, maybe your knees or shoulders. You did not work out, you did not fall, you did not do anything unusual. So you stretch it off. You blame your chair, your phone, your age, or a bad night of sleep. But here's the truth most Americans never hear. Random body aches rarely come from nowhere. They're usually signals, quiet ones. Your body uses pain when it cannot get your attention any other way. This kind of pain is not sharp or dramatic. It is dull, moving. Sometimes it disappears, then comes back somewhere else. And that is exactly why people ignore it. One big reason is low-grade inflammation, not the kind that puts you in bed with a fever, the kind that quietly stays active all day, every day. Inflammation like this does not feel dangerous. It just makes your tissues more sensitive. Your muscles tighten faster. Your joints recover slower. Your nerves fire more easily. So normal movements start to hurt. Sitting too long hurts. Standing too long hurts. Sleeping the wrong way hurts. Another overlooked reason is poor cellular recovery. Your body repairs tiny tissue damage every night while you sleep, but stress, poor circulation, mineral imbalance, and blood sugar swings slow that process down. When repair falls behind damage, soreness builds up. You feel stiff in the morning, looser midday, then sore again at night. Sound familiar? Many Americans assume this is just aging, but here's the key difference. Normal aging feels slower. Inflammatory stress feels uncomfortable. Your body is not breaking down overnight. It is struggling to reset. There's also a nervous system component. When your system stays in a mild alert mode too long, muscles never fully relax. This creates tension pain, especially in the neck, shoulders, jaw, hips, and lower back. You are not injured. You are overstimulated internally. Pain that moves around the body is a huge clue. Injuries stay in one place. Inflammatory and stress-driven pain travels. Today your knee, tomorrow your shoulder, next week your hands feel sore. That pattern matters. The good news is this type of pain is modifiable. When circulation improves, tissues get more oxygen. When minerals rebalance, muscles release properly. When inflammation drops, pain sensitivity decreases. And when recovery improves, aches stop showing up uninvited. The worst thing you can do is ignore these early signals, because over time, low-grade pain trains your brain to expect discomfort, and that's when random aches turn into chronic pain. If your body aches for no clear reason, do not panic, but do not dismiss it either. Your body is asking for support, not silence. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who cares about their health.